Hello guys, today I want to talk about to create an Amazon service server, and the easiest to do this is by video tutorial. So here we go. I know there are plenty other tutorials, but I really want to explain this in my way, so let's start. First of all, you need to go to Amazon Web Service. If you don't have any account, create one. I will sign into my console because I already have an account. So here we go. For this particular tutorial, I will use a different zone than my usual zone. So let's say, for instance, Asia, not Asia. Let's say North Virginia. Okay, so for all, you need to go to Services, AC2, and here we go. We don't have, and go to Instances. We don't have any instance, so basically launch an instance. Okay, and I usually, for instance, go with Ubuntu because I already use Ubuntu as a system, so pretty good with it. So I'm gonna select Ubuntu. So I'm going to the free tier. Maybe you don't know, but Amazon provides you one free for testing their services. Let's say I'm going for this one. I'm going next to my instance. So let's say one. It's okay. Talking about network, they are creating some networks and subnets for you by default. So on North Virginia already are 4 subnets. So basically you don't have to choose anything here because simply taking the nearest one. So auto sign IP, yeah, sure, go. You can enable this to have a public IP. This will cost I think something like $5 per month. I don't know exactly. IAM role, I don't think it is. If you're going to basic stuff, and shutdown behavior always must be stopped, not terminate, because if you stop your server and have a terminate shutdown behavior, it will fucking erase anything, and you don't need to do that. Okay, protect. You don't need to protect if you're not choosing to terminate as a shutdown behavior. So yeah, let's go for it. Add storage. On free tier they offer you 30 gigabytes of SSD GP2. For this particular tutorial I don't need 30 gigas. We'll go with 8 default volume they offer. Okay, if you want more you can add more volumes. This basically offer a virtual machine on a big computer, big server. So yeah, basically that's all, and let's go ahead again with Ubuntu server, one memory, 8 gigas. Okay. Yeah, about this thing, security groups. They already have a security group called Launch Wizard 1. It will go by default, and it will create your security group. So you pretty need this to enable protocols. For instance, 22 is for SSH access. I will show you right after launch. Okay, network no press. Okay, okay. Basically, if you don't want to go too deep into the system, you can follow this part. I will go with more tutorials regarding this and how much you can play with Amazon. It's pretty awesome. And yeah, 8 gigabytes as tags. It does for the moment. Okay, let's launch it. And don't have a key. Now, create a new key. Let's say tutorial. Okay, download PEM key. Let's say I'm placing it into my home directory. I'm using Ubuntu, so if you don't use Ubuntu or any other Linux distro, well, you can use PuTTY to connect to the server. I will show you right in a moment how to connect by Ubuntu, by Linux. So yeah, I'm into my home directory. Okay, and yeah, you can also beside putting CyberDoc is also a solution to connect to a server, but it's used for Amazon S3 and more complex stuff, but still you can log in into your server with CyberDoc. Okay, I think FileZilla also has shell, not sure, but still, if you want to use it. WinSCP has one and pretty used. Windows several years ago, so I think. Okay, to connect, this is pretty easy. You select connect, and they will offer you some pretty good info regarding this. And if I open a shell, here we go. They tell me to give a 4,000 mission to the file, to the tutorial.pem key. I mean the most important key to log into the servers. If I do this as they say, I place it in the PEM key into my home directory. I suggest you to do this, and you'll have to simply copy and paste this into your shell. If you copy it into your home directory, yeah, we're good. We have the file, I guess. Here we go. So we have it on permission. So yeah, we are good. Okay, so this is your public DNS. If you go here, no, you won't get anything because city groups. Okay, so you can log in into your server using what they provide. An example to log in into SSH. So basically, if you're not using Linux system, or doing the same thing with your PuTTY from Windows, they will ask you to give the fingerprint. You say yes, and here we go. We are live. We are into the system. So if I see the root and let's see now to see any file, here we go. We can do pretty nice stuff. So basically, if I will go to security groups and I will provide into this one, yeah, this one here, into inbound, let's say what is it? Yeah, edit. If I edit and add a new rule, add a new protocol to the system, let's say you already have the pre-default to any of this. 80 is for HTTP, which is not a secured protocol, but still it's open HTTP protocol for browsers. And if I do this, I save it and I go again to, let's say, instances. Here you will have the public IP. They provide you, I think it will show, but yeah, this cannot be reached because you don't have any server on it. So what is beautiful to do right after you, if you're going to install any patterns like servers, Apache, or actually when you land to the server, it's good to sudo apt update the repositories. And after you do this, you're going to upgrade it because there are a lot of upgrades. So yes for updates, and have to wait a while just to system upgrade. The greatest part, you don't need to start anything. It will work. This charm with the update. I don't think it will take too much, but this is a good way to do things, to upgrade the system right after you install and have access to it. Okay, so let's play a while. So a little, let's call Apache 2 sudo apt get install Apache 2. So Apache 2, it's server or web. So if you're intending to join a website, this will help you a lot. There is also other server Nginx, but it's more complex, and I will do a tutorial for this. something. Yeah, here we go. Apache 2. This is the default. The default landing page for Apache. So yeah, here we go. We are good. You can install other things. You can install the entire LAMP like PHP, MySQL, MySQL Server. You can go through virtual main and webmin, pretty cool tools, and so on. I will give more tutorial as soon as possible. So that's all for the moment. How you can easily install a basic server for using Amazon server.